how to turn on or turn off block backward redirections for Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Then we go down and tap on the menu button. Next, tap on Settings. In the Internet settings, we now scroll down and tap on Privacy Dashboard. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on the Block Backward Redirections toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now tap on the left hand side panel. In here, it will give you a list of all the websites that has attempted to use backward redirections. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your web pages, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.